guys, and welcome to Amsterdam. This is our second last stop before we get to London, which I might add is actually ridiculous. We're gonna be in London in like a week, but we are in Amsterdam today and we do have a very exciting day planned for you guys today. First of all, this morning we're doing a walking tour. Later on this afternoon we're gonna be trying some traditional and maybe some not so traditional local cuisines. And finally we're gonna be finishing our day off today by doing a canal cruise on this amazing canal. So come on, let's go!
So the tour we're on today is with Free Dam Tours. They seem like a really cool bunch. We're doing the longer walking tour today. It should go for about 3.5 hours, but it lets us see some of the lesser known sites. So we did a free walking tour when we were in Stockholm. It was the first one we'd ever done. Absolutely loved it. Free walking tours are the bomb. We've just left the old town and we're off to see apparently the most beautiful building in all of Amsterdam.
This building is apparently the most beautiful building here in Amsterdam.
It's not, it's not.
This building is apparently the most beautiful building here in Amsterdam.
It's not.
But yeah, we're not 100% sure how we feel about it.
Yeah, it's one of those buildings that you either love or you hate, apparently. Yeah. I am the latter, not a fan. Our guide was saying that they made like 200 different types of bricks before they decided on this color.
Yeah, which is not really the nicest color. I've definitely seen more beautiful buildings than that, but hey, I guess art is subjective, so yeah, there you go. Walking through Waterloo Square Market, which is this huge market square place. So originally in the 1600s, this was actually a Jewish market because back then, Jewish people who flocked here from places like Portugal and Spain weren't allowed to have shops. So what they did was they actually came to this marketplace and they sold their stuff here. Although these days, you tend to find it's more of a marketplace for tourists. It's not so much of a Jewish marketplace anymore. It has kind of lost just a little bit of its Jewish original roots, but it is cool if you do want to come and buy a souvenir or just have a little bit of a shop ski. It's the oldest house in Amsterdam.
Oh guys, we've just finished up our walking tour of Amsterdam. It was really great. Our guide Ricardo was fantastic. As we walked around the city, we went to a few different suburbs and he was able to explain how the canals were built. It was really great having a local being able to explain sort of what's going on. It was really, really interesting. We walked around with Free Dam Tours. They're a new company. If you're in Amsterdam, definitely check them out. They do a whole bunch of different walking tours. We'll definitely link them down below so you've got that information. But yeah. What a great start to the morning. Loved it.
All that walking has got us super hungry, and we've come here to try a kind of traditional Dutch cuisine. Although before you tell me I'm wrong, I know that French fries are kind of Belgium, but they're also kind of Dutch. We're here at Manneken Pis, which is supposedly the #1 place here in Amsterdam to get fries. And we actually got this recommendation from my friend Sophie, who works from Kentucky, and she said this is the best place to come and get fries because they have over 25 different sauces to choose from. How do you even choose between 25 sauces though?
Thank you.
It's such a large serving of fries. I was not expecting a medium to be this size.
Sit down with no hands, eh?
Oh, this is gonna be really not very graceful. Ah! Made it, nailed it. So just across the street from Manneken Pis, you can actually come and sit down here right on the canal, and it's kind of nice to have like a little picnic. Onto the fries, because that's what we came here for. I got peanut sauce with mayonnaise. On the guide's recommendation that this was kind of like a Dutch thing to do, honestly, I don't know how peanuts and mayonnaise are gonna go together. Like, I don't know about the flavors. And Ed went for ketchup and mayo, mostly because he panic ordered right at the end there. There were just too many options. Realistically, the line was so long, I thought we were gonna be in line for like 10, 15 minutes. And it took like all of 3 minutes, so. Mass panic order. Let's give this a go. I feel like I should dip it in both sauces just to get like the full effect. But honestly, I don't know how I feel about peanuts and mayonnaise. Do you know what it tastes like? It tastes like peanut butter that's been melted and put on chips and mixed with mayonnaise. It's like sweet and salty and crunchy. It's a bit weird. Also, look at the size of this fries. I ordered a medium thinking it would be like relatively small. So the toppings were 75 cents each, and then I think the fries are about €3.30. So it's not the most expensive lunch. It's probably not the healthiest lunch either though, let's be real guys.
As Sally said, I pretty much had a panic attack at the front of the line, and I had no idea. There were so many options. There are like 25 different options for sauces, and like Sally said, the line just moved so fast. I was too busy filming and I hadn't even thought of my sauces, and then I got to the end and the guy was like, what do you want? What do you want? And I'm like, I'll just have tomato sauce and mayonnaise. So look, I'm sure it's still gonna be delicious because that is delicious, but it's not the most creative order, but I'll let you know how it goes. Oh, look at that goodness.
Oh yeah.
They're good potato fries. Good frites?
Potato frites, I think.
Potato frites, is that what you call them in the Netherlands?
I think so.
It's like really dense. Really well cooked, plenty of sauce. So yeah, I'm a happy man.
Digging it. No tour of Amsterdam would be complete without doing a canal cruise, which is what we're doing right now. We're with Amsterdam Boat Tours. It's 20 euros for a 70-minute cruise, but it does include drinks. If you do book online, you do get a €2.50 discount. We tried to book online and free Wi-Fi, couldn't really connect. Couldn't load the payment page, but you know, that's all right. We'll just drink an extra wine.
The boat we're on is doing the UNESCO World Heritage route. It's pretty cool. We're going down lots of really old canals and we've got those beautiful buildings around us. And I don't know if you noticed that, it's not my fact, the lady just told me, but there's actually an optical illusion with the windows. And so they have really big windows at the bottom, but as each floor goes up, the windows get smaller and smaller, so it looks like they're further away. The buildings look really tall as a result of that optical illusion. Cheers. It's just something nice about sitting on a boat, cruising around a canal. I dig this lifestyle, I really do. Alright guys, and to finish this off today, we are heading to the coffee shop to get some ice cream, so we're going to enjoy that and we will leave you here.